Penis Enlargement Bible Review. Is it a filthy scam? Penis Enlargement Bible is one of the best-known penis enlargement guides out there, and it is tailored towards any guy who wants to naturally improve his length and girth. Worrying about the size of your penis is a natural problem for many guys. They wonder if they measure up to the average and if they will be large enough to give a woman pleasure. Also, another common worry is the ability to achieve and maintain a hard erection. If you are concerned about the size or performance of your penis, you may have given up because you think that there is nothing you can do to change it. However, the Penis Enlargement Bible explains how you can actually change and enlarge your penis. The guide also promises to teach you how to last longer in bed so that you can give your lovers better pleasure. It is a pretty shocking claim. So let's look into how the book insists that it will help you to increase your penis size. About the Penis Enlargement Bible. The book is certainly a thick and heavy tome, just like the Bible. It is 94 pages long and it offers you a huge amount of information about improving your penis health and increasing your size. The book focuses on two different aspects of penis growth. Mechanical. You'll learn about exercises that you can do which will manually increase the size of your penis. Biochemical. You'll discover how to use various substances which will create the same chemical conditions in your body as you experienced during puberty, so that your growth hormones will be activated again. The book claims to teach you how to improve your ability to maintain an erection, how to stimulate penis growth, how to end premature ejaculation, how to increase the volume of your ejaculate, which Chinese herbs can help your health, and much more. The book also includes information about curing premature ejaculation and how to be a better lover. It's no surprise the book is very popular with guys, as concerns about penis size are quite a common worry for many men. Exercises to increase penis size. About the author. This book was created by a guy called John Collins, who is a professional researcher, sex educator and author. He is one of the big names in the world of penis enlargement and he is considered an expert on this topic. He has studied this topic for many years and has gathered the information into this incredibly helpful and useful book. He put this book together because he wanted to help other men around the world. So he shared the information in the most straightforward and easy to follow way possible. Summary of Penis Enlargement Bible. The first part of the book explains the science behind penis enlargements. Medical diagrams will show you how the penis is made of 3 different chambers of blood, and these chambers play a very important role when you achieve an erection. If there is more blood flowing into these chambers, you will get a larger erection. This the important fundamental to know if you want to understand how your penis size can be increased naturally. The second part of the book is all about the exercises that you can use to increase the blood capacity in the chambers within your male sex organ in order to increase your penis size. You can do this without any special equipment. All you need is your own hands. The third section of the book is all about premature ejaculation, which can be a very embarrassing and frustrating problem for many men. If your lover is left unsatisfied because you orgasm too quickly, then this information will be very relevant to you. It talks about the causes of this issue and what can be done to solve it. The fourth chapter focuses on increasing the volume of your semen, and the fifth section outlines some healthy herbs that you can eat in order to improve the health of your penis. The sixth section is all about healthy penile growth supplements, and the seventh chapter also gives you a range of great resources to continue on your journey to a larger penis. Natural penis enlargement. Benefits of the Penis Enlargement Bible. So what are the benefits that the program promises if you follow the instructions within? Here are some of the advantages that you can look forward to. You will be able to increase the size of your penis as well as improve your sexual performance and the quality of your erections. You can achieve this without having to take dangerous drugs or undergo harmful surgeries. When you gain the size in your penis, it will not shrink back over time. The book claims that you can expect growth of anywhere between 1 inch and 3 inches in the first 6 months. You will not need to take any pills. However, the program does suggest some natural and healthy herbal supplements that come from seeds, fruits, Plants and Roots. You get quick access to the book as it will be delivered electronically. You won't have to wait until it arrives in the mail. When you have a larger penis and better sexual performance, you will have more self-confidence and you will feel better about yourself. Conclusion: you might be a little bit skeptical about the Penis Enlargement Bible. After all, it sounds too good to be true that you could possibly increase the size of your penis up to 1 or 2 inches. However, according to all the testimonials within the program, it is possible. There's only one way to find out. Download it yourself and see what happens. The program comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so if it doesn't work then there's no worries. You can simply ask for your money back. Also, the program is natural and doesn't rely on pumps, surgery or extenders, so there is no risk of hurting yourself. It's really worth a try, as you have nothing to lose and everything to gain.